Welcome back to the shed, guys. So today I've got a full day of rebuilding, putting all the parts back in that I've already taken off the bike, because the weather's supposed to turn next week. So we're on a Sunday morning now, so hopefully you'll see this probably Tuesday or Wednesday evening. And I've got a few things to tell you along the way, so there's enough chat. I'm going to show you what I'm going to be putting back on, and we'll get on with it. So I've got this brand new twin air foam filter that just holds it in place inside here. The air box, just going to put a little bit of silicone on the inside of this one here. That's where the problem bolt was, but I'm just going to make sure that's sealed. I'll sort this bit out here because it's moving around a little bit, so I might need a little bit of silicone on the inside there as well, just to make sure that it's totally airtight. Then we got the various rubbery bits, battery flap, and obviously the bit that holds the battery and the battery compartment itself. The carb, most importantly, after I've cleaned that. There is a potential mod that I'll be doing later on, but just for the moment I'm going to put it back together. That might come off again, because after some reading, I think I mentioned it before, the mod with the 650, but I want to make sure that it's not going to be overkill for the 600 motor, and a brand new battery as well to put on. So I've got the bits ready, all the bolts are installed on those, just so I don't lose them. But that's a brand new battery that I bought from the MCN beforehand. So and obviously before I put the air filter on, I've got to make sure that I put some of the oil on, which I've got as well. So this is the oil I'll be using. I bought it off of Amazon. It was about a tenner. Again, enough chat, let's crack on. How I managed to squeeze these tiny gloves on, I'll never know, but hey. Right, so just squeeze a moderate amount onto it. I guess that's around about a moderate amount. Right, now I've got to leave that 10 minutes to cure. This is the heat shield. I resprayed it. Looks okay. tray in there. Right, that's the airbox in and put it on the bike. So the end of this is quite hard, so I'm putting in some hot water to hopefully aid in fitting over the top of the carb there. See, it's in place now and it's level, which is important. It seems to have done the trick a few minutes later. That's the carb back on. It seems to be seeing really well around there, so it's all good. Next, it's the battery compartment. Right, so I've refitted the choke. Not a great fit, it won't screw in properly, but it'll push in, and I've operated it a few times and it's not falling out or anything, so that should be okay. So next, I guess it's the wiring and putting the radiator hoses back on, because you see I've jammed it with a screwdriver to stop it from coming out. You need to put the radiator hoses back onto the carb, right in there, just there and on the other side. Right now. For all you guys on Mayhem, you know who you are. Here's some of my homebrew that I showed you the other night on Instagram. A couple of hours in now, so it's time to relax, have a drink down the hatch. have power.